In this video, we're going to introduce you a multifunctional IGBT air plasma cutter CT520D. On the front panel, there are 3 red buttons. This is a function button for mode selection, arc welding, TIG welding, or cutting. This is a parameter button for current increase time, slow decrease time, gas delay time, and current value setting. This is a 2 steps or 4 steps operating mode selector. In this mode, only the welding current is adjustable, adjusted to 130 amp. Pay attention to the connection. Now let's see how it performs. Let's start with arc welding, using 3.2 mm of welding stick to weld carbon steel. Now let's try TIG welding. In TIG 2 steps welding, you can adjust the gas delay and welding current. In TIG 4 steps welding, all of these 4 parameters are adjustable. Pay attention to the connection. We just use TIG 2 steps mode and set the welding current to 125 amp. Let's start spot welding. At last, let's try cutting mode. In this mode, you can set 2 steps or 4 steps, gas delay, and cutting current. Adjust the cutting current to 50 amp. Pay attention to the connection. To cut 12 mm of iron board,